Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we will be watching some crazy dash cam footage. Don't forget to like and subscribe for new weekly videos.
It is a gain of 3. It's now 4th and 5, and here comes the field goal unit with Stephen Gostkowski. Of course, we're inside Kurt. There is no winner. They're going to try for a field goal here in the first quarter of Super Bowl 53.
Just looking to take the lead. A little bit surprised there with Tom Brady. You're not throwing the football. Dante Fowler has been another name that's been big early here in the game, getting off the ball quickly and making some big plays in the backfield.
Gostkowski with the ball put down his right foot kick to our right end over end. It is up and it is no good. He misses a 46-yarder in his 6th Super Bowl. Gostkowski cannot convert. And a second consecutive drive goes for nothing. That was wide left. It's still scoreless. 5:35 in the first quarter. You're listening to Super Bowl 53 on Westwood One.
The perfect steakhouse isn't just about the cut, sear, or flavor. It's a VIP experience. For more than 3 decades, Grizzly Steakhouse has delivered just that. Indulge in USDA high-aged beef, fresh seafood, handcrafts and cocktails.
Hindi ako makakita dito nung pantalon na mao, tapos hanggang dito na. Kasi ang tatangkad ng tao. Maabot hanggang dito. Siguro sa Pilipino eh.
Di bagay sa'yo nakaganon eh.
Tatangkad. Yung gusto ko.
Hindi, tas pag lalo na kung naka-heels ka, nakaganon ka.
Hindi naman ako nag-inis.
Oh!
Oh my God, my God, my God, Edmar. Oh my God. Oh my God, no. Buti na lang, hindi tayo umabot. Thank you, Lord. Diyos ko, natakot ako. Oh my God. Natakot ako. Buti na lang. Nakaano ka, Edmar? Hindi ka mabilis. Atras ka na lang dito. May pagkakataon.
Get your coffee. Is he done?
He ran off.
Orchard Southern. The performance of stocks this past week probably had many investors either singing or rapping a happy tune. Stocks marked you by those sell high. You're bound to get a bigger piece of the pie. The Dow, the S&P 500, and the NASDAQ all hit historic highs, and the TSX traded at a...
You can dance, you can sing like a puppet on a string, but you ain't in control of a single thing. She talks crazy talk. She don't mean a word she said. She talks crazy talk. She can make a man blue. She talking crazy talk. Mumbo jumbo, monkey on your back. She talking crazy talk. She can make a man blue. She talking crazy talk. Mumbo jumbo, monkey on your back. She talking crazy talk. She can make a man blue.
Rock 101, greatest hits in the 70s, 80s, and 90s. Ooh, we just had a little dim in the old electricity here at Rock 101. Uh-oh, didn't pay the bell. How about that rain, hey? Sam Ferris in on a Saturday afternoon. And the wind, man, we didn't get a warm-up for that. Boom, we went straight from desert to fall, and it's not going away anytime soon. I just watched on the news, a huge branch of the peony just fell. Didn't hit anybody, but wow, that is some dangerous stuff. And it's not going on, well, I shouldn't say that. It is going on. Kingsway, Port Moody, we've got trees down because of the wind all over the place. Not expecting that to happen too much more this afternoon, but it is supposed to stay windy and wet for the weekend, so maybe this is a good one to stay inside. Crank up the tunes. How about that? I will keep you entertained. David Bowie on the way. Let's do some Def Leppard, go back to the Hysteria album, and the Toxic Twins are next here.
Rock 101 on location.
Hey, it's Scott Allen and Rock 101 once again here at Visions Electronics, 20670 on the Langley Bypass, here for the secret sale. Up to 75% off store-wide on brand name electronics. Up to 75% off home audio, 60% off home theater accessories, and up to 65% on car starters. Don't forget air miles on every purchase, 6 months, no payment, no interest financing, and Visions will beat any price by 15% of the difference. Rock 101 hanging out today until 2 o'clock. Sale runs until Wednesday at all Visions locations. Come on by and see us here at the Langley store. Rock 101 Chapstick Frizz.
Eagle Ridge GM. Labor Day.
This is alright.
You don't want to be a bus.
I told bus drivers
It's
I
totally
want to talk to
unsafe.
him. I got students
Good.
coming.
Good. Because my two kids are on this bus. And the
I
way
understand.
society is today,
And I
you do
apologize.
not do that. No.
But-
There's no apologize for this. What you
See
should have
what
done.
he does was
No.
wrong. What he does to my daughter and my
Okay.
wife was
You
wrong.
should have handled it like it's wrong.
I am. I'm really
This is not.
I called the sheriff's
To
office.
block a whole bus of
I just
kids.
asked the lady, I said, you got it.
It's 100% unsafe.
That has happened, has done an issue wrong with my wife and my daughter.
Okay. You
So you
contact
want me
the
just
school.
to say,
What
okay,
I
let's
want you
go?
to do is act like a grown-ass
I'm
man.
not like a grown-ass
You
man.
call the bus, and you get the bus number, and
All
you
I
talk
want
to the
to
school. You
know
don't
is,
do
all I
this.
want to know is his name and where he lives, and I'll make a
Well, I
report to
hope
the
the hell
sheriff's
it's
office.
not my kid, because me and you are going to have a problem.
All I want to do is find out where he lives and the name, and I'll make a report.
Second, you got to go to work. We can't
All I want to do.
phone.
I just want to know where he lives and the name so I can make a report. That's all I want.
Right, they can't talk to you about other students.
That's the reason I got a deputy coming.
They can't talk to you about other students. So no. So no, they cannot.
Ask him to
You
get
need
his
to
name and
be
address.
like she said. And then what every other
Then you
parent
can make a
does.
report for his address, and then I can take it to the
I
phone.
work at one thing. I know. What is that going to do?
So, you know,
All you're doing is causing our kids and waiting to get home. And scared. My kids are
kurwa. O kurwa.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to Crisis Cam for more real-world content.